Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
That already I have a letter from MPT chairman written to the shipping ministry where they are saying these 4 or 5 projects which are shown by ECOM is not possible in Goa. So I have been telling people that we are following up, and like how it is shown by ECOM on the website of the shipping ministry, we will also show a letter from the shipping ministry that even if ECOM has given these projections, it is impossible to do in the state of Goa. This is what I have been always telling.
If we are waiting for such a letter, and ECOM is only a body which has suggested or proposed a consultant, then why is the work going on? If you are still waiting for the central government, then the work should be stopped.
The 100 kV line which is coming, there were 8 options. 8 options. Out of that, they said the best preferred is number 1 option. They have gone in for number 6 to help whom? And because of that, so much of destruction is happening. And the substation is coming at Sangod. Why it is coming at Sangod, Kole? Because there is a junction. You pay coal given 59 wagons laden train which reaches Kole. It cannot climb up till Castle Rock and go to Karnataka. Okay, this is a 400 kV line. You're stepping up.
COVID cases तरी आम्ही पडयल्यो जाल्यार 12 million टनाचेर कितले जावन लोक मेलो भायर पडलो आमचो, and they say it is comorbid. How that comorbid is happening? How their lungs got infected because of this dust pollution which is having with this at present 12 million tons. What I say is, why don't government stop getting? It was coming in 1947. We agree. It was brought by the other government. We agree. But now, if this government is working towards the betterment of these people, and this COVID has taught this big lesson, why not you stop this coal?
Give an executive order. Stop land acquisition. Second, drop the FIRs on the 6 people. Third, stop the double tracking. 2 वर्षांचे चालू असं, it doesn't mean that let it continue.